All right, so got my tire all back together. I haven't inflated yet because if I inflate this tire, because this tire is so big and burly and it's so stiff that I won't have enough clearance to get it in if it's inflated. So I have to deflate it. I put the cush drive back in already, right here. Just just kind of put it back on, and also on the center stand over there. I mean, you guys could see it. Yeah, I'm not sure you guys can see it, but anyways, on the center stand over there, I put on some 2x, put it on 2x4s, basically. So that should give me some space to mount this. So I think I need that space, that clearance. Okay. Let's try this. So this is my second time. Earlier I didn't have the 2x4s. I don't think I couldn't clear it. Alright, so let's move the brake right here out of the way. So remember, it's basically just in a slot, so you can actually take it out that slot. Oh, this is much better. Oh my god, that 2x4. Wow, what a difference. Oops, wrong direction. Oh, it's alright. It's alright. This is so much easier with it higher up with some clearance. Oh, yeah, look at that. Much better. Oh, yeah. Those 2x4s definitely helped. Okay. Yeah, like so. Okay, now we'll go back to this side. Okay. Shit out of the way here. Alright. So my brake's in there. What I have to do is I actually have to line up the disc and slot it in between the brake pads, right? Before I do that, let me put these chain tension. Oh man, I moved it. I moved the chain tensioner. God damn it! Oh, this thing's even loose. What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna have to redo that. So I have to put these back in. So they go in like this. There's two sides of them. See, that side and this side. So the center knob right here like that. That's on the inside, and this is facing out. All right, so like so. And this one right here actually also matters too. This thing, you actually see a little tab on top. All right, so that tab is actually on the bottom. This side has no tab because the swing arm here has a slot for that. Okay, that's good. Oh, shit. Here, grab this. What's the tab for the other side? Okay, here's the other side here. Let's see if this side is freaking loose. Nope, this side's not loose. What the hell? Alright, so same thing with this side. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put this side on yet. I need to slot this in first, and I need to get the chain on the chain wheel. Because the chain is actually in the way of the swing arm from the other side. So actually, just leave this out for now. So let me bring this in as far as I could. Let me get the chain on here first. Alright, so the chain's on the chain wheel. Wipe off on my grease. And they smear grease everywhere. Or oil. Or dirty too. Alright, so it's on there. So now I could put my tabs in. Like so. Other side. Like so. Let's see. Let's get a closer view on here. If you guys could see a little better. It's always hard with the camera in the way. The problem with having the camera is that it's always in my way. Okay, so it's there. So again, the top and bottom tab is facing out. The thing with the middle tab in the center that's facing in. So that middle tab, what it does is that middle tab actually lines up. If you guys can see the slot inside of the swing arm, the middle tab lines that up so that way it stays where it's supposed to stay instead of flopping around. Same thing with the other side. Okay, so I make sure my wheel spacers right here, both sides is on. So the drive side is a little thicker, the brake side is a little thinner, okay? So if yours fell out and you didn't know which side was which. Okay. So now I'm basically pulling on the wheel. I'm gonna slide the brakes forward, actually, as far as I can. Slide the brakes right here, all right? You see that? How you could slide it, because it's on a slot, it's on a rail. So slide that as far forward as I can. So I'm good there. Now I can just lift the wheel up. And I'm gonna have my axle ready on this drive side. Just dip it in. Yeah, I can kind of pre-stip it in right now. Pre-stip it in just a little bit. Yeah, right there, just a little bit. All right, now lift this up, lift it into the rotor, into the brake pads, and make sure my wheel spacers are not popping out, so that they look okay to me. And now I can just move the wheel around. Hopefully give myself some slack. Oh man, what the hell is this? Oh, you know what? It might be in gear. Let me see if this stupid thing is in gear. I thought it was in neutral. Okay, it should be in neutral now. It should be in neutral. So let's do that again. So here I have my feet under the tire to support the weight. Okay, I need to slip the rotor back into the brake pads again. Okay, so it's slipped in. That's good there. Okay. So okay. Okay, one side's in. Just need to feed it in. Okay. Okay, it's coming in. So this side needs to straighten out so I can feed it. Let's see, you can actually probably see it right here. Probably see the axle. It's probably hitting. The axle is hitting the brake mount there. Man, I can't see anything. Yep, it is hitting it. Whew. Man, this is where a second hand FA would totally help. I can't see nothing. Damn camera's in my way. I think you guys can see it. You guys can see the axle right there, but I can't though, because I'm sitting behind the wheel. Okay. Oh, there I see it. There it is. There it is. Oh, almost. Oh, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now I get the thing in here. She'll slide right in. There we go. There it is. Whew. Remember, I didn't adjust these at all. Actually, the chain side is tight. This side is not. This side actually is spun. So whoever prepped this bike didn't do it. Didn't do the job properly. Okay, so I got my little cap cover here. The cap cover, I don't think it has a. Yeah, there's no. It doesn't matter. There's no left side or right side or whatever. Just cap on there. Remember the O-ring. And your nut. So what I'm doing now, as I'm spinning this nut tight, is I'm actually pushing the wheel forward. So if it has whatever slack or whatever, it will get taken up. Okay, let's see if you guys can see that or not. I'm pushing right here forward. Where's my wrench here. So this thing did spin, but I don't think it's spun enough where it makes a difference. I think I spun it like half a turn or something like that, and it spun it back. So I think I'm fine here. I'm gonna push my wheel forward here. Let's see how I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna have two hands, right? So one hand has to hold the wrench on the other side. So I'm gonna use my knee right here to push it forward, and the other hand is gonna tighten this up. And this thing is really deflating. I took the valve core out, and look how stiff that is. Oh my god! With just one hand you know, here 2 hands I'm squeezing and it's not even barely moving. This is, yeah, I'm not using this tire again. It's just too much effort. And here I'm at home, so things are a little bit easier. If I was like out on the trail or on the road where I need to change the tube, for example, man, with this freaking tire, no way, dude. Screw that. So I'm recommending this tire. So this is the Golden Boy Shinko SR2 244, I think it is, 3-inch. Yeah, SR244, 3-inch by 17. So I think this nut here, the torque is 40 or 45 or something like around there. I'm just gonna do it by hand, by feel, because I always do this by hand and feel. Okay, that's good there. And that's it. I just need to tighten this up and pump up the tires, and we are good to go. Oof. Okay, that was a lot of work. So yeah, so I'm kind of stoked because tomorrow I'm you know, today it's raining. Tomorrow's gonna stop raining, but the dirt roads are still muddy. So I'm gonna hit up the mud and see how these 2 new tires I have perform. Okay, so that's putting on the mounting the wheel. Thanks for watching.